Okay, Music Man here. Giving you a Freebird today. We haven't done Freebird yet. Brilliant song. Don't need to get into about it. It suits my voice to raise the pitch up by one, so I'm going to be doing this with a capo on number one. Normally you would take it off, but the chords are fairly simple. Hopefully you know the tune of it. It's a nice pretty G, nice pretty D, E minor. You'll hold on to that. F major, regular F, whatever F you can do, to a nice C. Finish on D. 1 G and D, E minor, F and a C and a D. One more time. Start off with G. Bye, bye, babe, it's been a sweet love. E minor, F. Though you still remember me. Chorus is just a simple F, C, D. F, F and C and a D. Again. Back to the G. Nice wee slide guitar. Wow, wow. E minor. If you want to do an E minor 7, you can drop that pinky down. Not a biggie. Don't be afraid of the F. Just bang it out there. C. Make sure your C is nice and pretty to make up for any of your problems with the F. Finish on D. Double stroke on D. To the chorus. There's the great solo at the end. Well, that's going to be about 4 or 5 other lessons. Everybody gets a part in that solo, but it's going to be a G, it's a G, A sharp. Just move your A up 1 fret, it's not a big deal. To a C, power chords, or on the top it's going to be a 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8. 3, 6, and 8. Oh, 1, 2, 3. You can do that with bass climb up. G, A sharp, and the C, the C, the C. Freebird. Brilliant. Thank you, Ronnie Van Zandt.